As a leader in saw blade design and innovation, Lenox has delivered expert cutting solutions since 1915. Lenox first introduced bimetal reciprocating saw blades in 1977 and again revolutionized the industry in 2004 with high-performance coatings. That tradition continues today with another major breakthrough in saw blade design. Lenox Gold Power Arc Curved Saw Blades. Power Arc curved blades deliver up to 2 times longer life versus traditional straight Lenox saw blades.
With all the cutting I do, this blade's gonna last twice as long as any other blade I've had.
The aggressive Power Arc blade design optimizes the blade's angle of attack for faster cutting through a wide array of materials. Lenox Power Arc curved blades are available in a variety of specifications, designed for wood and metal cutting, as well as demolition and extreme heavy metal cutting applications. Lenox T2 technology and precision-applied titanium coating makes these blades last longer by dissipating heat. The coating also makes teeth more wear-resistant, so they stay sharper for quicker cuts. Compare the Lenox Power Arc curved blade with what you've been using. You'll feel the difference from the very first cut.
The curve and the coating on this blade makes it stay sharper much longer.
For faster cutting and longer lasting blades, Lenox Gold Power Arc curved blades deliver.